Doo-doo-doo always thinks she's hot shit with her cooking, but she always cooks very, very bland. It's not that she won't use spices. She won't use any salt whatsoever. You see on food TV or whatever it is, you know, sprinkling the salt from the heavens and all that kind of bullshit that they pull. And I agree. You watch TV, you're like, whoa, way too much salt, man. Come on. I get it. But she will use garlic and fresh garlic. And sometimes when you buy garlic, the peel on it, the outside of it, has sort of a purplish tinge, and she absolutely abhors a purple garlic because the skin does not want to peel off. It just comes off in little, it's like a hard-boiled egg that you just keep cracking them little pieces off, and it takes like an hour to do like one egg, and that, it's like one of those things. They are harder to peel, I get it, but the garlic itself is just as good as anything else. It's just a different cultivar. It's the same. It tastes the same, all that stuff. And I was at Lidl the other day, or Lidl, or Lidl, or something. I'm going to tell you a story about that first before we get to the subject of this video. L-I-D-L. Some people say Lidl. Some people say Lidl. Some people say Lidl. I say Lidl because it's a little store, and they have a little selection, and it's cute like that. And here in the US, they had an overhead page. This week on sale at Lidl, blah, 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 for $6.99 or whatever it was. They said Lidl on their own fucking announcement, so it's Lidl as far as I'm concerned here in the States. If you're German and it's Lidl, that's great, but that's not here. As far as Aldi, that's another one. Aldi, you're saying it wrong. It's Aldi. What are you talking about? It's Aldi. It's always been Aldi. What are you talking about? How could you possibly say Aldi? Guess what? They have TV commercials in the US, and they say Aldi, not Aldi. That's how it's pronounced in the US. Some people still say Aldi in the US. It's incorrect, as far as I'm concerned, but it's Aldi. And I don't know why people oftentimes call it Aldi's, A-L-D-I apostrophe S. It's not their, you know, I don't get it. There's nothing possessive. It's not called Aldi's, Aldi's. It's not called that. It's Aldi, A-L-D-I, and that's the end of the word. There's no punctuation, no period, no nothing, but that's not exactly the subject. The subject, again, was Lidl and purple fucking garlic hose. I got a purple fucking garlic hose. It's a hose. 50 foot, medium duty. That's nice, because those days, you know, you got to make sure for those heavy duty ones you got enough toilet paper. But anyway, it's 4-ply construction, 300 psi, 4 plis, 4 capas. The cops are after it already? But it's fucking purple nurple. That's the only reason I bought it. I know this hose is a piece of shit. I don't need it either, but it was purple, and you don't see a purple garden hose. And that's why I bought it, just because it's purple. Not that I like purple, as purple's a nice color, it's fine, but just because it's something you don't see. 5/8 inch, yeah, no, probably not. Okay, 50 foot, oh, 50 pies, that's good. That's a lot of pies. Solid brass couplings. Collar reduces kinking at the faucet. Oh, let's take a look at that. The collar reduces kinking. It's just vinyl. It does nothing. It's flexible. It does nothing. But it does come with a white washer. That's odd. And there's some information inside here. Didn't say what the warranty was. Typically things are 2 or 3 years at the manufacturer's defect in materials and workmanship? No shit! Wow! Care and use of your garden hose. This hose is intended for normal lawn and garden use. For proper use, allow water to flush through hose for several minutes before using. For proper use, allow water to flow through holes for several minutes before using. Why? Do not run hot water through this hose. That makes sense. Do not leave hose under pressure when not in use. Place washer firmly into coupling of faucet and to ensure a tight seal. Drain your hose in the summer when you are not using it and keep it shaded as much as possible. Protect your hose from harsh winter weather by storing it indoors. Be sure to drain the hose completely before storing, as water remaining in the hose can freeze, damaging the hose. Warning, do not spray water into an electrical outlet. Severe electrical shock could result. Only use a drinking water safe hose for drinking water purposes. Do not drink from this hose if there is a possibility of its exposure to any conditions which can be harmful to humans, such as mold and bacteria, lawn and garden chemicals, animal waste, insects, stagnant water, or other harmful substances. It's a purple fucking garlic hose. It's crap. 10-year warranty? Let's test it out. It's pretty. Wow, it's pretty. So, let's get some water into it. I have it attached to the rest of the 6,000 feet of hose, whatever I got. The hose is filling. Leaking. I don't have the connection tight. So that's nice. That's good so far. Batting 1,000. We got air here. It hoses. It's hosing. I don't like that leak over there, but otherwise it's hosing. It's tangled now. That's good. Now it's more tangled. All right. Purple. Let me go spread this out somewhere on the lawn. 50 feet is pretty long. Goes all the way down here. A purple fucking garlic hose. It works. Amazing. Anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.